the transmission is ready. I am not. I was hoping that like, take your time. I don't need that transmission back for like 2 weeks. You know, I didn't want it to be ready yet, and it's been like 2 days. Okay, maybe 3. This is my Friday. When did we drop that off? Tuesday? It's getting late in the afternoon. He's only going to be there for like another hour. I got to go to the credit union and get some money to pay the guy, and then get over there, and he's got to go over something with me. I think we're ready. I think I'm ready to go. I don't even know if it's going to get in this weekend, but it's a pretty good idea to have it here, and maybe I can get started. It's not ready. I guess it could have waited till morning. He is open for, well, he's in and out Saturday mornings. I could have met him over there at a certain time, and or it could have waited till next week. I could have, whatever, Monday, and done it. I don't know, something about it being ready today and the weekend's ahead of me. Maybe it's better that I grab it, like I say, maybe it's better that I grab it now and maybe I get started already and get the thing back in over the weekend. That might be a good thing. Just go ahead and get it. Hurry over, rush. Well, we should make it with a couple minutes to spare if we don't hit too much traffic. If we don't hit too much traffic, it's gonna be close. And of course, it's Friday afternoon rush hour. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're cutting it close. We did some hustling. There it is. Right? There she is. And instead of spending a fortune at the auto parts store, he has 55-gallon drums of transmission fluid. So we have we bought it wholesale. He gives me a really good deal on all the transmission fluid I'll need. And what else here? And there's a kit. This was also included. This is transmission cooler line flush. So we'll flush that transmission cooler lines out with this little kit. Get the rest of the contaminated crap out of the cooler and lines. All right, let's get out of here. So I'm gonna try to work a little bit smarter this time. Last time, as somebody pointed out, and it did occur to me while I was doing it. And somebody caught it in the comment section of, you know, I drug the when I took it out, I drug it through the yard over to the van. Well, why not bring the van closer? Don't have to drag it as far. So yeah, you know what, I was kind of exhausted, and I'm gonna make an excuse for myself. I was kind of exhausted and so relieved to finally have that out of here, that I was home free. I didn't, you know, it was all downhill from there, and I was just so happy. Anyway, yeah, she sure looks a lot better. Part of the process is, you know, they disassemble it, they hot tank the, you know, everything, the case and other parts that will get reused, you know, different covers and plates and whatnot, but all the internals and everything gets you know, all replaced. So, and then you know, before they reassemble, they paint the case and they paint the covers. They painted that cover black, in the pan black and everything. So anyway, it looks so much better, right? I might have to grab a tarp and just tarp it for the evening. It might not get unloaded tonight. I'll have to check the forecast. It's over that way. It looked like it might be, we might be getting some rain coming this way, so I'll have to keep my eye on that. And the new top line converter, Turbo Hydromatic 400, THM 400. So all the fluid. All right, just cut the box open. You can see what we got here. That's a new torque converter. What else would it be? Ooh, look at that. Yes, sir. And we'll go over some things here as we get closer, get ready to put it in. I guess one thing was I told the guy, I told him, yes, I've done transmission jobs before, but they've always been, we go get another transmission out of a salvage yard. And just, take the old one out, go get one out of a salvage yard, put it in. We've had good luck. I don't think we've ever gotten a bad one. So they were used transmissions that already had fluid in them. I told him this is actually my first time of getting one rebuilt that it's dry. There's no fluid in it. They rebuilt it, and other than a little bit of a assembly lube while they put it together, but there's never been an oil, there's never been fluid in that pan or the converter before. So I says, so I just asked him, I says, would you should I put any fluid in the, because it's something I always heard on the internet, doesn't mean it's so I'm gonna ask right from somebody that's been in business for 50 years. I said, should I prime the torque converter? Should I dump a couple quarts in it before I put it on the front of the transmission? He said, no. Nope. He says, put it on there, get the thing installed, all hooked up, everything. Dump about 6 or 7 quarts in the transmission. Leave it in park. Start it up, and then dump the rest in. He says, depending on the size of the transmission cooler that's on this, it should take a minimum. He said it should take at least 13 quarts of transmission fluid. He says, and if you have a bigger cooler, or because it's in an RV, the lines are longer, the cooler's bigger, that sort of thing, it may take a little bit more. But he said it's so start with 6 or 7, start it up. It'll suck that fluid in right, and just go ahead and start dumping another, get up to 13 quarts or whatever. Check it, go from there. I'll probably check it a little bit sooner. Probably get 12 in it, just to start checking it. All right, and that's 3 gallons. So yeah, basically dump half of it in, 1.5 gallons. Start it, dump the other half a gallon and another gallon in it, and then start checking from there. I like asking guys that are actually in the business. It's what they do, rather than just what you hear on the internet, right? So that's what we're gonna do. See, a guy like that's not gonna tell you if there was any advantage to doing that, he would absolutely tell you to do that, because he's the one, with the warranty. If it would hurt it by not doing that, then it could possibly damage it. Then he's got to make right on it. He's been doing it for 50 years. He knows what he's talking about. He's not going to take a chance of it taking a shortcut and damaging something, and then him having to make good on his warranty. That costs him money. So I trust him. All right, straps off. And it's always good to see, look, it's a brand new seal. I've got a little bit of light grease on there to aid when I put the torque converter on it. And yeah, it has the, like I say, the brand new grommet for the dipstick tube, and a brand new vacuum modulator. So, oh, and the brand new hose. All right. Come on, you didn't make it in the last couple of videos, girl. Huh? What happened that you didn't make an appearance in the last couple of videos? Was I busy working on stuff? Didn't even give you a shot, did I? Poor thing. Come on. All right, we did get it packed up, or unloaded, I mean. There it is. Now, just jump up in there by itself. Yeah, the weather. Somebody made the comment, weather-based procrastination. Yeah, I'm guilty. Yeah, nothing's gonna happen here real quick with it. Showers are, see how fast that happened? We went to Clear Skies, 20 minutes, half hour ago, and it just come across. And so I wanted to get it, did want to get it unloaded, and at least it's underneath there. If it rains, it's safe. It won't go, no water will get in there where the dipstick tube goes. Hopefully no critters crawling there overnight. I think it'll be all right. Watch a little spider will get in there. That's right, he'll get sucked up in the filter. Poor thing. I did have to put some things away. You know what? I was not planning on having this transmission back already. So I was digging things up, you know, like I did that upgrade for the kitchen sink. I put that new faucet on. I had some other things underneath the bench. Some other like rainy day type projects. There you are again. I have a couple of things, you know, I have some other projects like underneath the benches under the dinette. And I had that stuff dug out, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to keep myself busy till this transmission gets back. Well, it's back. I ended up putting all that stuff back away, so kind of cleaned up that disaster, or at least most of it. Just one of them real quick was, I was gonna put those new LED tail lights in and get these ones hooked up. In addition, I have the rack back here with the bike and stuff. You know, those are partially blocked at times. I never had anybody honk their horn at me or anything. But I know, and two different friends that have followed me before said, you know what, them lights don't work really well. They work, but they stink. Okay, just use nice language on that. These make a big difference. I had these on the bounder, and I'll tell you what, those LEDs light up nice. So I replace those, get those LEDs. This thing will light up like a Christmas tree. Yeah, it'll be all right. What else is going on here? Yeah, we're gonna get started on that transmission in the next video. Got a couple more errands to run. I think before I start, I'm gonna go mow the grass tomorrow, and this thing needs to go get dumped. Y'all know what that is, right? That's a little portable mini honey wagon. So we'll take a ride out in the van and get that probably taken care of. We might do that maybe bright and early in the morning, I don't know. Anyway, this is the third shot. Okay, you're in three. That's 3 shots in this video. Is that suitable for now? All right, had to reshuffle my jobs a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna get this back in here, get the coachman up and running again, and we can put that to bed. All the tools in the mess, and hopefully everything will be back to normal for a while, right? All right, that's it. A short video, an update. So we'll see you soon.